Pressure is all around us, and it simply means how much force is applied over a certain area. Imagine a teacher asking, "What is pressure?" while arrows push down on objects to show how it works. A person standing on one foot presses harder on the ground than someone lying flat, even though both have the same weight, which makes students laugh and think. A funny experiment shows a sharp nail sinking in easily while a flat book barely makes a mark, leading to the big idea that pressure depends on force and area. On the board appears the magic formula, P equals F divided by A, and a simple problem follows. If a force of 20 newtons acts on an area of 2 square meters, the pressure becomes 10 pascals, celebrated with cheerful excitement. Real-life examples make it clearer, like high-heel shoes sinking into the ground while flat shoes stay steady, and a sponge squishing more under a finger than a whole hand. By the end, everyone remembers the key rule: more force means more pressure, and less area means more pressure, making physics easy, fun, and unforgettable.